Welcome to Sam Official Tech. In today's video, we are exploring one of the most groundbreaking advancements in modern technology, robotics. From factories to hospitals, robots are taking over tasks that were once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. The integration of robotics in workplaces is driving unprecedented efficiency, productivity, and safety. So, how exactly are robots helping businesses grow and evolve? Let's find out in this exciting journey through the world of workplace robotics. Manufacturing was one of the first industries to benefit from robotics, and it continues to be a leader in robotic innovation. Robots have revolutionized assembly lines, performing repetitive tasks with high precision and speed, which drastically reduces human error. Industries like automotive, electronics, and food production are utilizing robotic arms, conveyors, and automated systems to enhance productivity and ensure consistent product quality. Warehouses are increasingly filled with robots designed to move, sort, and pack goods. Companies like Amazon and Walmart are leading the charge by using robotics to streamline their logistics and distribution systems. Robots such as autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, navigate through warehouses, picking up items for shipping and sorting them for faster delivery. These systems reduce manual labor and increase efficiency, allowing businesses to fulfill orders more quickly and accurately. The medical field is witnessing a robotics revolution, particularly in surgery. Surgical robots, like the Da Vinci system, allow doctors to perform minimally invasive surgeries with greater precision, leading to faster recovery times and reduced risks for patients. Robotics is also helping in rehabilitation, with robotic exoskeletons assisting patients in regaining mobility after serious injuries. Additionally, automated robots are being used in hospitals to transport medical supplies, clean rooms, and dispense medications, freeing up healthcare workers for more critical tasks. Farming is being transformed by robots designed to plant, harvest, and maintain crops. Autonomous tractors, drone-assisted field monitoring, and robotic harvesters are helping farmers increase yields and reduce the need for manual labor. These machines use sensors and AI to analyze soil conditions, monitor plant health, and apply the precise amount of water or pesticides needed, making farming more efficient and sustainable. Robotics in agriculture is not only boosting productivity but also reducing the environmental impact of farming operations. In retail, robots are transforming how businesses interact with customers. Service robots are becoming more common in stores, helping customers find products and offering personalized recommendations. Robots like SoftBank's Pepper can greet customers, answer questions, and provide product information, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Additionally, robots are used in stock management, ensuring shelves are always replenished and inventories are accurately maintained, allowing retailers to focus on customer satisfaction. The construction industry is increasingly adopting robots to handle dangerous tasks and improve project timelines. Robots are used for bricklaying, demolition, and even 3D printing buildings, ensuring precision and safety in tasks that are too risky for human workers. Drones and automated machines assist in site surveys, monitoring progress, and transporting heavy materials. Robotics in construction is not only boosting efficiency but also helping to reduce accidents on job sites, making it a safer environment for workers. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work alongside human employees, assisting in tasks that require both human intuition and robotic precision. Cobots are particularly useful in industries like electronics manufacturing, where they handle delicate assembly processes. Unlike traditional industrial robots, which are kept separate from humans due to safety concerns, cobots are equipped with sensors and AI to safely work in close proximity to people. This collaboration enhances productivity without replacing human workers, creating a more efficient and harmonious work environment. The food industry is increasingly adopting robots to handle food preparation, packaging, and even cooking. Fast food chains and restaurants are using robots to fry, bake, and prepare meals faster and more consistently than humans. In factories, robots are used to process, package, and transport food products, ensuring hygiene and reducing waste. These systems allow for higher productivity, consistency, and quality control in food production, making sure that consumers receive safe and delicious products. While not directly related to workplace robotics, space exploration has been a significant testing ground for robotic innovation. Robots like NASA's Curiosity rover are helping scientists explore distant planets and gather crucial data. These developments in robotics are trickling down into industries on Earth, where robots are used in remote environments, like deep-sea mining and Arctic research, where human access is limited. Space robotics inspire innovations that can be applied to challenging workplaces here on Earth. In the hospitality industry, robots are transforming guest services in hotels and restaurants. Service robots are being employed to greet guests, carry luggage, clean rooms, and even deliver room service. These robots are improving the guest experience by offering faster, personalized services, and reducing the workload for human staff. Hotels and resorts around the world are increasingly integrating robotics to ensure seamless and efficient guest interactions. Robots are also making their way into classrooms, assisting teachers in delivering personalized learning experiences. Educational robots can help students understand complex concepts, offering interactive lessons in subjects like math, science, and coding. These robots engage students in a fun and educational manner, improving learning outcomes. Additionally, robots are being used in special education to support children with disabilities, providing personalized assistance and enhancing their learning capabilities. Robots are playing a crucial role in military operations, particularly in areas like bomb disposal, reconnaissance, and supply transportation. Drones and autonomous vehicles allow military personnel to perform dangerous tasks from a safe distance, reducing the risk of casualties. These robots are equipped with advanced AI and sensors, enabling them to navigate difficult terrains and complete missions with high accuracy. Robotics in the military is not only saving lives but also improving the efficiency of tactical operations. Security robots are becoming more common in corporate and public spaces, helping to monitor large areas and ensure safety. These robots are equipped with cameras, sensors, and AI to patrol buildings, detect intruders, and report suspicious activities in real time. In addition to providing constant surveillance, security robots are also used for crowd control in large events and high-security zones. This enhances the ability of security teams to respond quickly and efficiently to potential threats. In the energy sector, Robots are being used to monitor and maintain power plants, wind turbines, and solar farms. As these robots become more advanced, they will continue to enhance our quality of life by offering convenience, support, and safety in our day-to-day activities. That brings us to the end of today's video on robotics transforming the workplace. As we've seen, the integration of robots into various industries is not just about improving productivity, it's about creating safer, more efficient, and innovative work environments. From manufacturing to healthcare, and even in our daily lives, robots are helping us achieve new levels of growth and success. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Sam Official Tech for more exciting insights into the world of technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.